Okay, so in this final step, we're going to create a value proposition. So it's going to ask me a series of questions about my product and service, some of the benefits of it, what are some of the features of my offering. So let me get into that. So uh, first, it asks me what are three unique benefits. So I'm going to say time savings, more quality time with family, and more time to travel and enjoy days off. So all time really related, just different varieties of it. Um, so let's get talk to me.
Thanks, Nathan. Second of three questions. What are the specific supporting iRobot features or proof points for those solution benefits? A proof point is evidence of why your solution provides a specific benefit.
Okay, so now it's going to ask me for evidence for each of those benefits. So I'm going to just type here, or actually in this case, let me test drive the audio. So um, iRobot can do a majority of the chores that a human can, like cooking, cleaning, doing dishes, taking out the trash. So with that, we're going to click Talk to Me. Perfect. Picked up my audio.
Got it. Last question. Is there any additional context about iRobot that differentiates you that you would like me to mention in your value proposition?
iRobot has machine learning capabilities, so it can learn new chores and how to cook new recipes. All right. So in this fictitious example, we've defined what robot makes iRobot different. All right. And then we're going to click Talk to Me. And now it's creating our buyer persona or our value proposition for us. So let's give it about a
Fantastic.
minute.
Thanks, Nathan.
And then this value proposition will be used for any content that I produce for MarketMate. It'll be used for any sales pitch, any messaging, so that all your messaging is consistent and refers to this as kind of your blueprint for all of your content and messaging. Now, it's generally a best practice if you have multiple customers or types of customers to create a separate buyer persona and a separate value proposition tailored for that buyer persona. So you can have multiple personas and multiple value propositions, and
Complete. Do you have any changes?
I'll show you that in the settings page on the next step. So here we've got our value proposition, discover the power of convenience of efficiency with iRobot. So really putting words to my ideas, helping me with my marketing solution benefits and features, so you can easily see this turning into almost like a section on your website landing page, like time savings, quality time, more breaks for fun activities. So this really makes it easy using AI to automate a lot of the things that you maybe have writer's block with.